Om Tejasvine Namaha.
See, earlier we saw Tapasvine Namaha. Which number is that? 39. Tapasvine Namaha. Tapasvi. Tapasvi because Tapona Shishya. Tapona Shishya means the disciple of Tapovan. So, effect of Tapovana. So, the cause pervades the effects. So, Tapasvi we saw. Here, Tejasvi. Tejasvine Namaha. Tejasvi means the brilliant one. In the Gita, Lord Krishna, we saw in chapter 7 and also we saw in chapter 10. No, not we saw, I'm sorry. I saw. Because how can I tell for you? I don't know, but I saw. We saw, if I say means like a royal we, I can't take that. So, Tejasvi, Tejasvinam Aham in the Gita, chapter 7, verse 10. And 10th chapter also 36, there also we saw. Buddhir buddhimatamasmi Tejasvinamaham in chapter 7. Buddhir buddhimatamasmi means I am the buddhi, I am the intelligence in all the intelligent people. I am the intelligence in the intellectuals. In the intelligent people, I am their intelligence. That's called Buddhir buddhimatam. Tejasvinamaham. I am the brilliance in the brilliant. I am the brilliance in the brilliant. One school teacher, she always wore dark glasses. Whenever she went to her class, she wore dark glasses. Why? People asked, why you wear dark glasses to your class? Do you know why? Very brilliant students are there in front. She couldn't face the brilliance of the students. Therefore, she wore the dark glasses. It's a nice joke. In the summer camp, I wear. Does my can you see my eyes? I requested for a glasses which has a glare. Nowadays, they are not giving that. I wanted only those glasses, especially for my summer camp. Because when I wear the glass, it has a glare, so children cannot see where I am seeing. But I don't get that. Anyway, dark glasses, night time I should wear. Then I cannot see. Now, so what Tejas is this? There's a physical Tejas also. But the physical Tejas sometimes, some are very bright, very physically. They say, what is that? I thought he is very brilliant till the sound, when I heard him speak. They say light travels faster than the sound. So the moment you see some people very bright, until the sound comes out of the mouth. So physical brilliance also is there, but when they are sick, constipated, or a diarrhea, weak, and they look so sickly, so the physical brilliance is gone. Emotional brilliance, intellectual brilliance. At the M&I level also, constipated ideas are there. Or the diarrhea of words, that also will be there. But what brilliance we are talking about? You might have heard about Brahma Tej. Have you heard the Tejas? The Brahma Teja? Because of the Brahmanishta. Brahma Teja, Kshatriya Teja. The famous Vashishta, Vishwamitra, their combat. And Vishwamitra made a declaration, I will make Vashishta acknowledge me as Brahma Rishi. That's why in South India there is a very popular saying, Vashishtar Vaila, Brahma Rishi. If he said Brahma Rishi means really it must be. And unfortunately the Tamil people, they use it only for tasting the food. And when the South Indian says, oh, this tastes very good, this sambar tastes very good, then they say, oh, Vashishtar Vaila, sambar nanna irukanu vandadu. Vashishtar Vaila, tatastu. See that? But so, Vishwamitra's willpower is well known. So, Brahmana, Brahma Teja and Kshatriya Teja. Now, if you are in a problem and you want a solution to your problem, very difficult problem you are in. So, whom will you approach? Vashishta or Vishwamitra? Whom will you approach? Vashishta or Vishwamitra? How many will approach Vashishta? Vishwamitra? If I have a problem, I will approach only Vishwamitra. Because Vashishta had such a pure life, he has never heard about such problems what you are going through. And you are, Swamiji, I am having this problem. Oh, such problems are there? He'll ask. So what can how can he guide you? People ask me for directions. Swamiji, I want to come to Kailas Nivas. Can you please give me direction? Immediately I give direction. From Capital Beltway 495, take exit 28 north to New Hampshire Avenue, drive 6.5 miles, turn left on Norwood Road, 4000 Chinmaya Mission. Person, Swamiji, I am not coming from Beltway, Swamiji. Go there and then come. Because I know only that direction, because I've been reading that direction. They gave me a card, Swamiji, if anybody wants to come, read this direction. And I pasted it on my phone itself. Anybody calling, I'll read. From Capital Beltway 495, take exit 28 north to New Hampshire Avenue, drive 6.5 miles, turn left on Norwood Road, 4000 Chinmaya Mission. See, it has been tattooed in my intellect. See, whenever somebody asks you direction, what is your question first? From where are you coming? Isn't it? I never ask that question. Because what is the use? Even recipe also I don't ask people. When they make, some people make big, very rare, very few people. Very tasty dish they make. And I never ask the recipe. What's the point? But I ask them to give the recipe to that person, that person. That way I outsource it so that at least they know. Then they can make it. That way I ask for recipe, not for myself. If I ask, what will I do? So Vashishta, if you go and ask, he may, from Capital Beltway 495, take exit. He may read like that. But Vishwamitra, he had gone through all the intricacies of life. That's why Vashishta himself asked Dasharatha to send Rama and Lakshmana with Vishwamitra. Because they have to face the challenges of life. He will be the best person to train. I said Gurudev was the best. Any atheist, Gurudev is the Guru. How many of our members, our Acharya Sadananda, our Dr. Sri Kumar, all were atheists before. And now greatest devotees of Gurudev. One in Kerala, lot of atheists, communists. God is nowhere. There itself, God is now here. Only the spelling you have to change. One member is a great devotee of Gurudev. When Gurudev went to the college, he was the person who was hooting and booing on Gurudev's about to start. And he himself confessed, Swamiji, I was the one who was hooting, and he became Gurudev's devotee. And can they convert other atheists? When the atheist converts, The other people, what will they think of him? Do they think, oh, there must be something we should also? No. What will they think? Pagal. Aur ek gaya. That's how they think. But Gurudev's glory is, he could bring in all the atheists. Because he knows what they are thinking, where they are stuck, and guide them from the labyrinth. So, he is the real GPS. So, we should know whom to approach also. So, he has come out of all those things, so he knows how to take us out. So, that is the Tejas. That Teja he had. In any assembly, hundreds of Swamis will be there. But Gurudev, if he is standing in that, your attention will always go to him. That's the Teja. Tejasvine Namah. It is said in the Gandhi movie you saw. In the court when Gandhiji enters, what happens? The judge stands up. What power, what Teja is that? Teja of Satyagraha and Ahimsa. In Mahabharata it is said, Lord Krishna going as a messenger, the ambassador. Duryodhana says to the court, Krishna is coming as a messenger. Tomorrow I have given him appointment at 10 o'clock. And Krishna is very punctual. He will come exactly at 10 o'clock. And when Krishna enters, nobody should get up. Let us show him that we don't care. This was the plan. And exactly 10 o'clock, Lord Krishna walks in and looks at Duryodhana. Duryodhana stands up. And everybody stands up and the meeting goes and the Krishna walks off. And Duryodhana is mad. Didn't I tell you not to get up? Why did you get up? One old man stands up and says, oh sir, your highness, highness may not remember. Your highness got up. When your highness gets up, how can we sit down? Therefore we got up. It's called the compelling authority. It's called Tejas. So Tejas, Tejasvinam Aham. Even you can add this Teja to so many. I am the fearlessness in the fearless. That also is a Teja. I am the courage in the courageous. So many. So it's Teja is in all aspects. The highest Teja is the spiritual Teja. So, glowing with the spiritual power. And even success also has Teja. Isn't it? When somebody is successful, don't you see the success? And not only the person who is successful, he has the Teja. And for success, success has many fathers. Mera beta, mera beta, mera beta. How many people? Chip of the old block. So success has many fathers. Failure is orphan. Isn't it? Luckily, they didn't say success has many mothers. It did not say. Success has many fathers. Because only when the son is successful, father, my son, my son. And failure, the son itself goes, Mom, what? Don't worry, beta. Sometimes you behave like dad. What? Don't worry. Some of my influence also will help you. You will succeed. You will succeed. That's how mom pumps courage. So success has many fathers. But failure is very orphan. So Tejas is there. We know only glow of wealth, glow of dress, debonair dress. So dress Tejas we know. Wealth Tejas we know. But there is a greater Tejas. The spiritual Tejas is the highest. The glow of morality, the glow of knowledge, the glow of realization. They're all Tejas.
Om Tejasvine Namaha.